Body on tete, on tete, on tete. Get up, get up in now.
You want a papa girl? Call me. You want Chanel? Call me. You want a GC? Call me.
Oh, girl, I wanna poke you like Pokemon. I wanna pack you like Pokemon.
What's up everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is on this Ankara inspired look. I know you're feeling it because I am too, okay? Now before you leave, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Turn that button into like from red to gray right now, okay? Because girl, we need to be friends. We need to be close friends, like very close. Without further ado, I'm going to get into the video and tell me if you like this video. Comment down below and let me know if you like this look. This month I've dedicated this month of April to Ankara inspired looks. So I've got so many Ankaras I want to try out, but yeah, stay tuned and watch the video next week. It's gonna be another Ankara inspired look. Alright guys, bye, see you next week, bye. We're gonna get started. So first of all, what we're gonna do is I've already gone ahead and done my eyebrows. I set my lids I've put a primer on my lid and I used the LA Pro concealer in Fun. I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more. The palette we're gonna be using today is Morphe 35B and also the Morphe 35O. I used the orange color from here. So first of all, I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe 35O palette. So I'm going in with the Morphe 35O palette and I'm going in with this orange one right here. And I'm just going to pop that right into my crease like so. I'm using this big fluffy brush it's from Morphe. It's the MB33 brush. So you just want to blend that in seamlessly, just like the way I've done it right here. Now we're going into this shade, this reddish shade over here in the Morphe 35B palette. This red one right here. Putting that over on top of the orange shade with the same MB33 brush, 23 brush, sorry. Alright, so next we're going in with this shade right here, this burgundy-ish shade. I'm just popping that into the crease. So I'm just blending that in so that I'm going over that with this black shade right here. And the brush I'm using for this is the Morphe Carity E30 brush. Now if you've been watching my videos, you would know that I am in love. I love me some Carity brush, okay? Like, you can't tell me anything different. I love Carity brushes. Alright, to cut the crease, I'm going in with my LA Pro concealer in Fun. Okay, so that I've cut the crease, I'm going back into the Morphe 35B palette and I am just doing exactly the same thing I did on this eye. I'm just doing it over here, which is, first of all, I went in with this color right here. I don't know if you can really see it. It's a very soft pink color from the Morphe 35B palette. So I just put that right on right in the beginning like so. And then after the soft pink, I went in with this shade. It's like this peachy shade right here, this one. So the first one I used was this one right here. And the second one I'm going in with this one right here. And the next color I'm going in with this Fisher pink color right here. So I'm just popping that into the outer corner like so. Making sure I'm blending those two colors together by using the other side of the brush to blend it. And then now we're going back in with the same black that we used over here. We're replacing the black back to where it belongs, just like so. Just dab, dab, dab. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you're in high school and you watch my videos, I would like you to comment down below. I just want to know how many people I have watching my videos in high school, specifically in grade 12, because I have a giveaway coming up soon, and I would disclose the details about that very soon. But I just want to know like who's in high school, like out here. Let me see you guys. Alright, so now to top it all up, I'm just gonna go ahead with this gold liner by Absolute Cosmetics, and I'm gonna put it in the crease just like the way I did this one right here. And so now I'm just gonna go in with my liner. Alright, so I'm popping my lashes in. Alright, so I'm going in with this black pencil, and I'm going to use it to line my waterline. I don't know what it's called. I've had it for a long time, and unfortunately the name has just rubbed off of it. If you're wondering what the white thing on my face is actually my primer. I put Becca Cosmetics all over my face because I need it. I have very oily skin, so if I don't literally shower with it, my face starts to like get oily after, and I don't like that. Alright, so now I'm done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my skin, and I will be back. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now. Please do make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Watch out for the next Ankara inspired look. Okay, bye.